Hi guys, what time is it? What time is it? What time is it? Let me tell you now. It's equity time. From now onwards, every Monday, 9 a.m. Singapore time, 10 minutes is all you need to spend with us. We shall pick a wonderful stock, and this stock could come from Singapore market, Malaysia market, Hong Kong market, China market, or even the US market. We call it the OTOP 1910. One target, one purpose, Monday, 9 a.m., 10 minutes. Be forewarned, we are not recommending you any stock to buy, but we just want to share our view on a very powerful single stock or perhaps possibly a high demand commodity for that particular week. So, what should you do on your part? Just leave a little finger, subscribe to us and be our follower. Then turn it on every Monday, 9 a.m. Singapore time and join us. Be forewarned again. I will snatch your 10 minutes on every Monday morning, alright, while you fag a cigarette, while you're on the train to work, or maybe listen to us while you drive, sitting in your comfortable chair somewhere, or when you're having your nice aromatic morning coffee. Remember, OTOP 1910 is now here for you. Stay tuned, don't go away, and I shall be right back. Hi there, this is the first time that we're going to host OTOP, which is every Monday, 9 a.m., 10 minutes is all you need to spend the time with us. And today, we are putting up the first episode, and this is going to give you a very potential and powerful instruments that you could be looking for this coming week. So the coverage is going to be on the 3rd of August, year 2020, Monday onwards. All right, so what are we going to expect and should be looking at this week? Now, follow me. When we look at the dollar index chart, right, this is the day chart as you can see here, all right? The market has been coming down for a series of days since the 1st of July until the last day of July, and on Friday itself there was a slight recovery. Okay, so we have a lot of reason to believe that there could be a small recovery and time to do some correction upwards in the dollar index on the first week or first 2 weeks of August. And most likely when we're going to see this dollar index moving up this week, this could be a target going up anywhere from 94.5 to 95 as our target level. All right. On the other hand, if you look on a further outlook by switching to a monthly chart, all right, last month, the whole month itself, we have seen the dollar index coming down, and the EMA 4 and 20 are just about to cross down with the momentum moving downwards. So, in other words, we are looking at a short recovery for this coming 1 or 2 weeks, but on the midterm, on a whole month in August, September, October, or even until year end, we could be seeing dollar index continue to fall down. So, come back to this. On the day chart itself, dollar index could be moving up on the next 10 to 15 days of upward trend. So what could we be expecting? When dollar index is going up, one potential market that we are looking on the opposite direction that may come down is the WTI crude, which they move opposite. All right, if you look at this WTI crude, US crude oil on the day chart, all right, what we see here is the market has been trading on a sideways in a very tight range between $39 to $42 since sometime in mid-June until now. All right, all the market prices have been scribbling and rattling together. So if you look on the day chart itself, all right, by zooming out, we have identified that the EMA 4, EMA 20, and EMA 200 are all converging on these three averaging lines, which means there is a very big potential that we could be seeing in the next coming week, all right, until the 20th of August, that these WTI crude prices could be falling, especially with this initial crossing down on the three averaging prices. So if we are looking on the dollar index moving up this week on the 3rd of August, year 2020, and Inversely, we are looking at a crude oil WTI prices coming down. What is our immediate action for this week? That's what all we want to know. All right, besides going down, shorting on the outright crude oil, we would strongly recommend traders to take a look at this ETF. And this is it. Instead of shorting the crude oil, what you can do is you could be looking at this counter called the ProShares Ultra Short Crude Oil, which means that if you start buying this ETF counter, you are actually shorting crude oil. And this counter comes with a symbol SCO, is trading in New York Stock Exchange. All right, on Friday closing, the price is about $17.06, and this could be a very potential instrument for you to take note on this coming week, starting from the 3rd of August, year 2020. And one more thing before I go off. This SCO ETF is a 2-time leverage instrument, and that means that it is equivalent to shorting the WTI crude. But every time when the prices of WTI crude comes down on a certain range, this SCO is a 2-time leverage ETF, could be escalating 2 times more in terms of percentage. So your alpha profits and the range of outward profit could be scaled up in a better sense. All right, so take note of this. In the next 2 to 3 weeks, if we are going to see WTI crude prices coming down, most likely on a very high chance that we are going to see these SCO prices going up from 17 to above 20, and it could go back up anywhere $40 to $50 range, and that will effectively give you 100% growth in just very short time over the next couple of weeks. All right, so this is the DW World. Thank you for staying with us on the OTOP, and if you like us, please give us a like and subscribe to us. And we are not going to spend more than 10 minutes talking to you. Come again next week on a Monday, OTOP 10. Bye-bye.